welcome to an unboxing of the new police set. This is set 60138. It's called High Speed Chase, and as you can see we have two cars, a minifigure, I guess 4, and here it says exclusive minifigure included. Let's see here. Oh, that's the extra minifigure, and we have a police, 2 police, 3 polices, and a burglar, of course, or a thief. And this is how it looks, and you can see here on back, red, really nice sporty car, this car, and bags in this, of course, helicopter thing, and then very nice. It looks very awesome. So I will open the box and see how many bags are inside. I will of course do this in my channel, so I hope you will follow it. We have a bag 2, not so many parts in it, but it looks like the red sports car. We have a bag 4 for the helicopter, and that rope, I just hate ropes because I'm not so good at those things. We have a bag 1, that's the white car, not so filled either, but still. And of course we will have a bag 3. Here we see helicopter parts. Usually those are loose in the bag, in the box, but they put it in the bag. So we have medium sticker sheet, pretty large stickers, some really nice things, and let's see, the last but not least, we have 3 instruction books. Instruction book 1, not very thick, so that will be a pretty fast one. And then for the sports car, not so thick either. And then the helicopter, and of course that is thicker because it's 2 bags. So the content in the box is we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags, and we have 1 medium sticker sheet like this, and 3 books. So stay tuned on my channel and watch me build this. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.